Tezos. Overview: world economists finally realize that current financial systems are flawed and unstable. The world needs a much more stable and reliable currency. Blockchains were developed by scientists on an algorithm that could address the issues concerning sustainability and scalability. However, there still remain some questions unanswered. Time and again, the hybrid consensus mechanism of blockchain and various tokens revolving around it has also been in heated discussions. Before we dig into the Tezos price prediction, let us have a look at some of the unique features of Tezos. However, very few networks have actually gone into addressing the interoperability issues that pose various bottlenecks for the trading community. Enormous transaction fees and lack of transparency are major hurdles in scientifically developed platforms. Many cryptocurrencies failed to redress these issues. Cryptocurrencies like Tezos has gradually pervaded the mainstream consciousness and gained traction. It has stood the test of times and shall continue to do so provided it sees a mass adoption. Tezos price prediction 2022. If all market factors turn in favor of Tezos, this cryptocurrency price shall perform exuberantly, scaling the peak as aforesaid. Transgressing all limitations over the next year, even though it may show some sluggish trends, it would surely show signs of fortune for its investors. Backed by robust smart contracts, the Tezos price may easily touch $5.60 by the end of the year 2022. Tezos price prediction 2023. The masterminds carved the functionality behind Tezos cryptocurrency. Hence, over a period of, say, 3 years, the token is set to pick up the pace with other coins to arrive at a $6 to $6.08 price. Investors, however, need to watch out for any unforeseen factors. Nobody could predict the pandemic. Tezos price prediction 2024. Keeping in perspective, there are no boomerang effects in the cryptocurrency markets. Tezos is all set to affirm its strong position as a major attraction among its investor community. The road ahead is full of petals provided the investor confidence keeps booming, resulting in a major push to the Tezos coin price, taking it across all barriers, scaling $8. Tezos price prediction 2025. A jaw-dropping optimism is also predicted for the XTZ price, mainly due to its consistent performance over the years. Hence, this year will be a mega bonanza for the cryptocurrency market as the prized digital asset will surpass all expectations and surge ahead of its major resistance level. Seeing a rise like never before, the Tezos price is sure to cross a new all-time high of $10 from where it stands today. Tezos price prediction 2026. No doubt, an easy-to-use Tezos XTZ is good. It is more functional and promising when it is easy to spend. Tezos established a fast, reliable network and worked with the user experience of the product. These features can help the XTZ price increase much higher to the new all-time high around the $12 mark. If the drive for functional crypto continues into 2026, the Tezos price changes may even see an enormous growth in the next few years. Many crypto market mentors fear that it may see some ups and downs. However, these apprehensions may not hold for long, as finally, the Tezos coin will stabilize to bring gallant returns for its investors. It all depends on the team activity, potential technological breakthrough, or high-level partnerships. As agreed before, Tezos has to do a massive overhaul in building partnerships and collaborations that increase visibility and infuse more funds into the project, making it relevant for all the users and investors alike. It would be then increasing in price manifold. Tezos. Let us carve the future. Pandemic has been a true touchstone for fiat and cryptocurrencies. With regulated world economies moving towards recession, it is proved beyond doubt that digital currencies shall rule the financial kingdom. Most certainly, Tezos is going to be one of the most crucial kings of this wild. Emerging as an extremely dynamic and vibrant force, Tezos is going to be the pick and choice of investors to buy or sell, mainly because it has stood the test of time, and also investors have found a factor of reliability embedded in this token. Undoubtedly, Tezos XTZ has great potential and would tend to be the most attractive cryptocurrencies mainly because of high transaction security coupled with speed, scaling a peak of above $10 for sure on a more in-depth technical analysis. What remains to be seen is how the mining gets the attention of governments worldwide and whether they too recognize the inherent value of this crypto asset at par with other valuable assets. No wonder the ever-active team of qualified mathematicians and cryptographers are developing and maintaining the cryptocurrency.